Finally, my boxes are starting to come in. I'm so excited. You guys know if you've been waiting for them, stocking the mailbox, that's hard work. Moms need lots of caffeine. Kids, YouTube, jobs. Yes. Guess what came? I don't know if this is premium or the regular box, but we're going to dive right into this bitch. I am just so excited. I've been waiting and waiting, and I feel like I'm the last one to get it. Am I the last one? I hope I got the palette in there. How great would that be? I know a lot of people got skincare, I think, or something. Okay, which one is this? It's premium. Ta-da! We got the premium, which is the $35 a month subscription. And I do have a referral link if you're interested in signing up. It'll be down below. Okay, so what? Ooh, look at that. I like that outfit. Boxy perks. Cute clothes seek wearers. Ooh. The original makeup eraser. Okay. I like them, but not that much. I'm not that crazy about it. Oh my God. Don't be jealous, okay? Oh, what am I holding in my hands right now? Holy crap. I'm in shock. I can't wait to open her up. Oh my gosh. Is it Lunar Beauty Manis, right? Life's a drag. Oh my God. Do you see this? Oh my God. Oh. Be a queen, it says right there. And it's got a mirror and oh, okay. Is there a protective? Yeah, there's a protective thing and it comes with a brush. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We have to swatch these. Okay, here's the brush. It's got a color. I'm stumbling. So I'm so excited. I got it. The part where you put color on your eyes and then the blending right here. Okay, so we've got that. Oh my God, I'm so excited. You have no idea. I don't even know what this palette's worth. I have no idea. But we are going to swatch. All right, so we have Cake Face, Sickening, Hunty, Beat, Campy, Pageant Queen, Kiki, Shady, Trade, Mug, Legendary, Kai Kai, Snatched, and Fishy. Those are interesting names. They have a black in here too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am so excited right now. The first 4 colors. Are you ready? Let's see. I'll do it this way. Ooh, my lighting. There you go. Oh, now we've got Campy, Pageant Queen, and Kiki. Are you ready? Oh, Kiki. Let me see if I can get a little more. Yeah, because there we go. Woo! Okay, so now the other arm. We'll go with Fishy, Snatched, Kai Kai, and Legendary. It looks like there's 2 shimmers in here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Girls, do you want to see a look with this? Do you? Okay, Mug, Trade, and Shady. Mug, Trade, and Shady. Sorry about my swatching skills aren't as great today. Wow, I am so excited to play with this. You have no idea. All right, let's see what she's worth, shall we? Oh my gosh. And this is the month that I decided not to get a second premium, and I should have. There's no card. I don't know what she's worth. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited about that. Are these brushes? Opulent Beauty. Ooh, a set of 3. They feel heavy. Okay, so they're got like a glass type of look to them, but doesn't tell you what they're for. This one's probably a powder brush. It looks like it's a pretty decent type of brush. This one is definitely a contour. That is a contour brush. And then this one is probably the highlight. Yep. Okay, so they're nice and soft. I don't think I've ever heard of Opulent Beauty before, and I definitely don't know the value of them, but you guys know this box is supposed to be like, what, a $200 value or something like that? All right, so now it looks like I've got skincare. Levito, inspired by nature, grapefruit seed, Melissa, and avocado. What's Melissa? A person? Firm, hydrate, repair. So I'm guessing this is a moisturizer. The box smells weird. And it's, okay. This is what it looks like. I have color everywhere, but that's okay. Okay, so it's got a safety seal on it. Ugh. I'm just wanting to show you guys everything. This is definitely the month that I should have freaking got 2 premiums. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I can still order another premium. Okay, so there's a light kind of flowery scent to it, and it definitely feels like it's hydrating. Like it feels like it would be a nice hydrating cream. Okay, what else did we get? Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. I have so many of these open, and Wander Beauty is not really my favorite, so I'm going to save that for a giveaway. And let's see. We got Too Faced High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. Let's see what color. It says Hidden Talents. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me right now? The packaging is just, are you kidding? Like, hello. Let's see. Oh, and it smells amazing. Ooh, it works with my lipstick. It's Jeffree Star's It's Vulgar from his new Bloodlust collection. That's what I'm wearing. I love this. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm excited with this box. Oh, this is heavy. What is it? The Good Acids Pore Toner. Ooh, we like stuff for pores. I like to get rid of them. Okay. All right. Let's see. Ooh, it is. It's a toner that has turmeric in it. Okay, guys. Turmeric, AHA, so alpha hydroxy acid and turmeric. This is pretty cool. Peach and Lily. It says, okay, gently exfoliate and balance. Turmeric is really good for hyperpigmentation, and it's also good for just overall getting rid of redness of the skin and stuff like that. So let's try this out with a cotton pad, because that's what I would use on my face, but we're not going to try it on my face. We're actually going to try it on my hand. Oh, here I am smelling it. There's a seal on it. Okay, so there's a little safety seal. Okay. Oh, it's like a squirter, I'm guessing. No. All right, really does, this bottle doesn't squeeze, so I'm guessing you need to do this. It's like a glass bottle. Yeah, it's a glass bottle, so you kind of got to shake it a little bit, which is weird, but okay. Glass helps the environment though, doesn't it? And let's just see. Toner. Let's see if it takes off the makeup. Kind of. There's some pigment there. Okay, so that's what I got in my Boxy Premium. Do I love it? Yes. Do I wish I would have gotten another one? Yes. Last month I gave my second one away, and I would have loved to have done that. I cannot believe the palette is in here. I am so freaking excited. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video. I am truly the happiest girl on the face of this earth because I have never tried anything from Lunar Beauty before, and I cannot wait to dive into this palette. And guys, we're going to do an extravagant look with an extravagant lash. Make sure you check out my new video with the channel memberships and the Hank and Henry new subscription box. And I love you guys so very much. Thank you for taking time out of your day to spend with me. I love you all. I will see you in my next video. Bye.